Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and tapping Sound and Vibration. This is where Redmi centralizes alerts so you control behavior system-wide. Once done, make sure Volume is audible and Do Not Disturb is off, because a quiet phone hides changes. Tap Notification Sound to list built-in tones. This is the quickest path. You do this first to confirm the system picker works and to decide whether to use a built-in tone or add a custom file. Now you either pick a built-in tone by scrolling and tapping to preview or add a custom sound. If adding, copy an MP3 to the ringtones or notifications folder using the Files app or connect to a PC. MIUI scans those folders on boot. Once the file is in place, return to the picker and tap Add or select the new entry. Make sure to use supported formats and reasonable bitrates so the system recognizes the file immediately. Finally, assign the sound to specific apps so you know which alert is which. Go to Settings, Apps, Manage Apps, pick the app, then Notifications and Sound to choose the tone you set earlier. This lets you have different alerts for messages, mail, and social apps. If the new sound doesn't play, make sure the app has notification permission and is excluded from aggressive battery optimization. This is the key troubleshooting tip to prevent silent notifications.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.